Now, even if you don't have the laptop, you can write Python codes on your smartphone by simply going to your browser and search for Google Colab, just like I've done. It's going to open to this page you're seeing. Then you click on New Notebook. Just like this, then you can just proceed to rename. Now you see this is a similar interface with the Jupyter notebook you have on your laptop system. So this is where you run your codes in this cell. So let me run a very basic code saying x is equal to 1, and let me make it, I like using small letters, the lowercase letters, I like using that. And y is equal to, say, 4. Print x plus y. Then you click on that play button or icon, and it's going to run the program and display the result, which is equal to 5. As simple to use and very simple at that, right? So let's go to the business of the day. I want to compute a program for carbohydrate by difference. To achieve that, we click on this plus sign to give us another cell, and I write a statement, a program that computes carbohydrate by by difference is already there. So do I proceed this moisture, or let me reduce it to MOI for moisture, equal to float. That means I am telling the system that any number you are to impute must be in decimal place. Float is for decimal place, integer is for single whole numbers or double for whole numbers, right? But your float indicates or sends a message to the system that the end user must impute numbers in decimal place, because that is what is applicable in such analysis as being carried out. Then you enter the value of moisture So then do the same thing for fat. To save our time, I have just impute or done the same thing for other parameters, that of the fats, the protein, the ash, and the crude fiber. This is the program I have written. So I will proceed to impute the formula. The formula for carbohydrate by difference is 100 minus the sum of moisture, that is the sum of MOI, plus fat, plus protein, that is PRO, plus ash, plus CFB is used to indicate crude fiber, plus CFB. Then I will give my command now. So print rather, bracket open, F, okay, print the carbohydrate, value of the sample is, here I'll use curly brackets, then I put the CHO. No, this is very case sensitive, so you mind the cases and maintain it, and dot 2F. The 2F there indicates or means that the sample or the values will be in 2 decimal places. I close my curly brackets and right, when you have done all this, then you run the program. Whoa, successful. So it has asked you or asked the end user to enter the value of the moisture. Now the program is ready to calculate the carbohydrate by difference. All you have to do, let's say the value of the moisture of your sample is 2.44 or 43. Let's go with that. Go. It has done, taking note of that. It asks you again, enter the value of the fat content that you have, the data. So let's work with 3.12. Go. It will request for that of the protein 3.56. I'm just using any numbers. 5.21 for protein. Then for crude fiber, let's just go with 1.23. Go. The system has given us the carbohydrate value of the sample, which is 84.45. It is as simple as that. Now with your smartphone, you can write Python programs. You don't have to bother about using the laptop. Before now, some persons have that challenge of saving up to get laptops. They can learn with their Android system but cannot practice. But with Google Colab, you can practice and you can write Python codes. So if you have learned from this, give me a like, share this for others to learn from it, and follow this channel for more updates. Thank you.